In this video, I'm going to show you 4 legit websites that you can literally use for making $10 each second sitting at your home literally for free. Yes, you heard it right, without any kind of investments. But before starting, make sure you press on the red subscribe button and press on the bell icon for getting notification of each time I upload a single video on make money online, Shopify dropshipping, Facebook ads, Google ads, and recently TikTok ads too.
The first website that we're going to talk about is called Guru, G-U-R-U. This is a freelance software, freelance website that is hiring freelancers like us that will help us for doing some tasks and getting money for that. There are millions of companies out there that are outsourcing the work like logo design, graphics designs or something that is, and they have, you can see they have paid around $250 million to the freelancers. They have different services like programming, web designing, design and art, and something administration, but we are more focused in this video is on logo design, and how I'll show you at the last of the video how can you create a logo for free of cost. And as you probably know, there are billion dollars in industries. The website owners and companies out there, they don't have time for doing the designs like logo design, graphic design, so they outsource the work like from the freelancer softwares like this. They come to these websites and they are hiring people like us for paying. Here you can see you can get paid hourly, fixed price, task base. If the task base will pay you more, but hourly the payment will be less, but it's better to get some money without doing something, and very easy thing. Here you can see some of the clients they have worked with. This company is called Russell's or as Enterprise or something. They have worked with this and they have a good reviews, and this website is a legit website. They have chosen over 3 million people that are working out there. For this, what you need to do is, I'm talking about in this video is, we need to do for logo design for this company. And logo designs nowadays, they can get paid around more than $30, $40 each task you are doing in that software. In this website, the different companies are posting their requirements in this software, and you can just give them the code what you need to do, what you can do within how many times you can do it. You need to create profile in all the software, and you can start working with them and get paid whenever you get time, you can get paid with this. Next is with the website that I have for you guys is called People Per Hour. People Per Hour is another legit website, and you can see I am on my dashboard and I have already signed up for this, and I can see I am on the dashboard right now. The sign up process is very easy. You can do it by your own. You need to fill out some of your profile, your details like name, email address, what you need to do, what you have done, your professionalism, your work. That is, professionalism is not required at all. For coming to this website, how can you search job? You need to go to search section and need to type on the job logo design. And in this video I'm focusing on logo design because this is a very less work, and you can earn lots of money. That you can see here, you can earn around $1,000, $1K, $20. More than that, you need to send some proposals. First, what you need to do is you need to create a profile in this website, People Per Hour. Give your professional details. No need of professional details, something, just need to create a profile, and you can see you're gonna get paid around $47, $30 and $30 and more like this. You need to create a profile and send the proposals to the companies. Different companies will post requirements of the job requirements to be done by you, and will hire like freelancers like us. And you can see that they have given their job requirements in this People Per Hour. And you can see logo design. The company need logo design. They have given their post the job requirement 3 hours ago, 1 week or 4 weeks ago. And I will ask you to just see how many a recent post they have done. Their job requirements recently they have done for this. You can do it, the job like the logo designs for logo creation designs and all. The next website that I have for you is called Next, NEXXT, NEXXT.com. In this software we can do the same thing. You can see there are millions of jobs out there that are posted each and every day, each and every hour, and you can see how many people have, the clients they have, what the clients are saying about this software or the website. Here you can see members are saying these are all the people that have worked with this website and they have earned, or they have hired some freelancers to do their work done. And you can see you can get paid around more than $1,030 to $1,000 for each and, or more than that, for each and every task or for each and every logos that you can create for them. Here you can see they are searching for the job. They are posting the job each and every hour. You need to do the job and they will be then featured to millions of sites, etc. This next is another legit website. You can just create a post. Don't worry guys, I'll show you how can you create a logo for easy and free of cost. How you can search the job listing. You may be asking, but okay fine, you can get the job, but how recent, how frequently I can get the job done, so can I can make lots of money. Here you can see for searching the job out, you can see I have written out the logo designs. You can search for different countries, based on your countries also you can do it, but if you're not giving, the job will posting will be more, and from the worldwide I'll suggest you that you go with this. Here you can see the job openings have just come up. You can see senior graphic designers that has been coming up. Dinner graphic designers means logo creation person, and they want graphic designers, logo design freelance point graphic designer. That also is a very easy thing to do. I will show you within some time, so make sure you stay till the end of this video. Don't skip a single part of this video. I'll be showing how you can create a logo and a graphics and be a graphic designer for the big millions companies, $1 million companies, and you work for them, you get paid. The same easy is the step is very simple and very easy, and you can literally make $10 or $1 each second for doing this. So try to go there, do these things done. Next website that I'm going to talk about is called Design Crowd. This also is a legit website that will create, again, like freelancers, Fiverr. But why I have not given a Fiverr in this, because Fiverr is now very populated, and the chances of getting your posting listing is job posting or getting the job will be very difficult. But these 4 websites it's not populated much till now, and you can start working in this. Their other design, their services they're providing is logo design services, so you will work for them as a freelancer, and big $1 million companies comes to this website each and every day for doing their work done that they don't have time, or they are not interested in this doing, so they outsource. As I have told you earlier, they are outsourcing freelancers like us, and they are getting their work done, like logo design, graphic design, something else. And logo designs is also a very easy task to do, and for that person who don't know how to create a logo, they will pay you more than you can get. How much money you can make? $30, $40 each, even like $1,000 for each job done. Here you can see what the people are saying about this business, about Design Crowd. There you can see they have good reviews, and they need a design where their job done they're doing. They have given their phone number also there, so this is a very legit website, and you can do the work. You need to create your profile in this also, and the profile creation is very easy. You can go into this profile creation and get created a profile in that, and you can start. First you need to give some work of that you have done in the past. So I will show you how can you do a little bit of work that you can do in a free software, absolutely for free, and just post in this softwares and create a profile in this. Try to create profile in each and every software or the websites, so that your chances of getting a job will be more. So they are hiring for card design, catalog design, CD covers, etc., and more things, cup and get designs. many things they are doing for this, and you can create all this everything for free of cost. Now this is time this coming up that I'll show you how can you do the logo designs, cup designs, and designing, graphic designings and all absolutely for free. For this I'll be showing you. Now we need to go to canva.com. You heard it right guys, canva.com. In this you can see YouTube thumbnail I use for creating all my Facebook posts. YouTube thumbnail, this Canva I'm using. Logo, all my logos have been created in Canva, and this is very much free of cost. You don't need to pay a single amount of money. Here you can see YouTube thumbnail, you can create logo, YouTube channel art, you can create animated posters, videos, you can create each and everything for free of cost. Graphic designs, not people are doing this, so try to do it right now. First of all, go to Canva, create some logos, and I'll show you how can you create logos and all. First of all, see what are the things that they can create in this. You can create lesson parts, video posters, animated posters, animated things, logo design, YouTube thumbnail, posters, YouTube channel art. You can start working for some other guys for making their YouTube channel grow and create their channel logo, channel art, sell everything free of cost in the Canva. Now I'll show you how you can create designs. And in logo designs, first of all, you first create some of your logo examples and upload in those websites as your portfolio. Build your portfolio and send them when the companies are asking for the job to be done. Send them some portfolios of the previous works that you have done by creating the logos right now. First of all, download some of the captions. You can see in the right side there are tons of logo examples are there. Just click on this logo part and just get it edited and according to you.
Now what you need to do, you need to press on the like button right now so that hustlers like you can reach my video and can make money online sitting at their home. Next thing, you need to comment in the comment section if you have any kind of questions, or you need to write Avengers if you have liked my video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe pressing on the red subscribe button right now, so that each and every time I upload a video, single video, you can get notified and can watch my video at the first. Subscribe right now. Subscribe.